Is that everything?
I travel light.
Daniel, that is one box.
I know which one it is.
What's in it?
The important things. Right. Which goes on the van?
Everything on the trolley.
And his? I'll put it in the car.
Okay, I found 3 apartments in Miami, all within budget.
Already? It's Saturday morning.
I've been up since 6. Look, apartment 1, Brickell.
Brickell. That's the business district. How much?
$2,800 a month. 1 bedroom. 20th floor.
20th floor? I can have an office with a view.
It's 1 bedroom. Where does an office go?
On the balcony. Creatively.
Apartment 2, Coconut Grove.
2 bedrooms?
2 bedrooms, $2,400, and a garden.
A garden? In Miami?
Small, but it's there.
What about apartment 3?
Wynwood, up-and-coming neighborhood. 2 bedrooms, big kitchen, rooftop terrace. Shared, but available. $2,200.
Wynwood. I've seen photos. All the murals on the walls.
It's very creative. You'd love it.
2,200 and a rooftop?
And we can have a dog. The listing says pets welcome.
I vote Wynwood.
Me too. Let me contact the landlord tonight, before someone else takes it.
Already writing the email?
Already sent.
Quick Move Company, this is Jake. How can I help?
Hi, Jake. I need a quote for a long-distance move.
Of course. Where from and where to?
From here to Miami. About 1,200 miles.
When do you need to move?
In 2 weeks. Is that possible?
2 weeks? That's tight, but we can do it. How much stuff?
1-bedroom apartment. But I have a lot of boxes. A lot of boxes of books.
How many boxes of books?
42.
42 boxes of books?
I love books. Don't judge.
No judgment. But books are heavy. My back knows.
Mine too.
1 bedroom, very heavy boxes, 1,200 miles, around $2,200.
The company pays for the move. Can you send an invoice?
Of course. Email?
maya.harris@email.com.
Done. Full quote today. 2 weeks, we'll be ready. Start packing those books.
Already started. Okay, packing time. Where do we start?
Things we don't use every day.
Books first.
Your 40 books?
42, Daniel.
Right, 42.
Now, the wardrobe. 2 piles. Keep and donate.
This jacket. Keep. Definitely keep.
Daniel, you haven't worn that jacket in 2 years.
I wore it at the concert.
That was 3 years ago.
A man remembers a good concert.
Donate pile. And this dress of mine?
When did you last wear it?
Last summer.
Keep then. Definitely keep.
You have 5 favorite jackets, Daniel.
A man needs options.
And a woman needs a bigger truck.
Not that one.
Daniel, it's falling apart.
It has character.
It has a hole in the elbow.
Donate pile.
Good. Kitchen things are already packed, by the way.
Already?
When? This morning. I was up early.
Maya, it's 8 a.m.
Exactly. We're behind schedule. Daniel, is it true you're leaving?
Yes, Mrs. Kim. We're moving to Miami.
Miami. That's so far. What will I do?
You'll be completely fine.
Who will carry my shopping? Who will water my plants when I travel?
We'll sort all of that out before we go. I promise.
5 years you've been here. 5 wonderful years.
You were the best neighbor, Mrs. Kim. Truly.
Who will eat my dumplings now?
Nobody makes dumplings like you.
I made you a box. Pork and ginger. For the drive.
Mrs. Kim, you didn't have to.
Of course I did. That's what neighbors are for. I'm gonna cry.
Don't cry or I'll cry. And then none of us will be ready.
We'll come back to visit. I promise. You better. And bring Maya. I'll be here. Good luck in Miami. Make me proud.
We will. I'll always remember your dumplings.
We're here. We're actually here. Look at the colors. Look at the size of those murals.
The photos don't do it justice.
Not even close. Excuse me, can you help us?
Sure. You look a little lost.
Very lost. We just moved here today.
Welcome to Miami. Where do you need to get to?
Northwest 24th Street, number 340.
Northwest 24th. You're close. Take this street north. 2 blocks.
North. Got it.
Then turn left at the big wall with the flamingos. You can't miss it.
A wall with flamingos.
Welcome to Wynwood. 1 more block after that, 340 is on the left.
Thank you. Any advice for newcomers?
The Friday food market on 26th. Best food in the neighborhood. Get there early.
Friday market. Noted.
And coffee? La Paloma on the corner. Best cortado in Miami. Tell Roberto I sent you.
I think I'm gonna love it here.
Everyone does. Welcome to Wynwood.
Maya Harris, welcome to Miami.
Mr. Torres, so nice to finally meet you in person. This is my husband, Daniel.
Pleasure. Likewise. How was the drive?
Long, tiring, but exciting.
Come in. Let me show you everything.
We've only seen photos. I can't wait.
Living room here, kitchen through that door.
The kitchen is bigger than in the photos.
New fridge and stove installed last week.
And the bedrooms?
Upstairs, 2 bedrooms, bathroom on the right.
And the rooftop terrace?
Top floor. Come and look.
Wow. Daniel,
I know.
big enough for some plants?
The previous tenants had an herb garden right there in the corner. Perfect. Here are your keys, 2 sets. Wi-Fi password is taped to the fridge. Trash day is Monday.
Monday. Got it.
Any problems at all, call me day or night. That's what I'm here for.
Thank you so much, Mr. Torres. We're really happy to be here.
Basics first. Toilet paper, soap, dish soap, cleaning supplies.
Aisle?
Let's ask.
Hi there. Can I help you find something? We just moved here today. We need everything. Welcome to the neighborhood. Cleaning supplies are in aisle 4. Bathroom stuff, aisle 2.
And food? We have a completely empty fridge.
What do you need?
Milk, eggs, bread, butter, coffee.
Coffee's in aisle 7. We carry local Miami brands.
What do you recommend?
Cafe Bustelo. Very popular. Nice and strong.
We'll try it.
Anything else?
Snacks. My wife is building furniture tonight.
She'll need the energy. And wine. For when the furniture doesn't work. Wine is aisle 9. Good selection.
Thank you, Diana. You've been so helpful.
Come back anytime. Welcome to Miami.
Good morning. 2 coffees, please. Of course. What kind?
What do you recommend? We're new to the area.
New to Miami? Welcome. Try the house blend. Or the cortado. That's our most popular.
1 cortado, 1 house blend. Both hot, please.
Coming right up. Where did you move from?
About 1,200 miles north. My wife got a new job. Miami is a great city. You're going to love it.
We already do. Well, we will. After we unpack.
Many boxes? 38 boxes of books. Just books.
42, Daniel.
42. Sorry. My wife loves books. There's a great independent bookshop 2 streets away.
Really?
Don't tell her.
Tell me everything.
We have absolutely no more space. Here you go. 2 coffees. On the house. Welcome to the neighborhood. First visit only.
On the house? You didn't have to.
Miami special. Come back tomorrow.
We'll definitely be back. You just got 2 regulars.
That's exactly what I like to hear.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to register as a new patient, please.
Of course. Are you new to the Miami area?
Yes, we just moved here on Saturday.
Oh, welcome. I just need a few details.
Of course.
Full name?
Maya Harris.
Date of birth?
July 22nd, 1990.
Address?
340 NW 24th Street, Wynwood.
Wynwood. Great neighborhood. Phone number?
555-0192.
Health insurance?
Yes, through my new employer. Here's the card.
Perfect. Any allergies?
Penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin.
Noted carefully. Any current medications?
None. I'm healthy. I just want a regular doctor in the city.
Smart thinking. Dr. Rivera is accepting new patients right now. Can you come in next Wednesday at 11?
Wednesday at 11.
Perfect. All done. Welcome to Miami, Maya. See you Wednesday.
1 bookshelf. How hard can it be?
Famous last words.
Where are the instructions?
In the box, under all the pieces.
These instructions are in Swedish.
There are pictures.
The pictures make no sense. Step 1. Attach panel A to panel B.
Which one is panel A?
The tall one.
They're all tall.
This one has a sticker. A. Panel A to panel B. Using screw C and tool D.
Where's tool D?
It's not in the box.
Look properly.
I am looking. Wait. It was in my jacket pocket.
Why was the assembly tool in your jacket pocket?
I picked it up earlier and forgot about it.
You're impossible.
But helpful. Look, A is attached to B.
Daniel, it's upside down.
No, it's not.
The shelf holes are at the bottom.
Line break?
Line break.
1 week.
1 whole week.
How you feel?
Different, but good different.
I start the remote work contract on Monday. I'm nervous.
You'll be fine. You're always fine.
What do you think of the city so far?
I love the coffee shop on the corner.
Of course you do.
And the bookshop 2 streets away.
The one I tried not to tell you about?
I found it myself, day 2.
Of course you did.
The supermarket is brilliant. The clinic was so quick and easy. And this rooftop?
Look at that skyline.
The lights. And you can just see the ocean from here.
Do you miss home?
A little. I miss Mrs. Kim's dumplings.
Me too. I might call and ask for the recipe.
She'll say it's a secret.
It's always a secret.
But this feels right, Daniel.
Does it feel like home?
Not yet. But it will.
How do you know?
Because home isn't a place. Home is the person you're with.
When did you become so wise?
I've read 42 boxes of books.
I walked right into that one.
A new chapter, Daniel.
Our Miami chapter.
I can't wait